Here are 5 things you didn't know about Diogenes that reveal the secret to authentic living. First, he lived in a barrel on the streets and threw away his only cup when he saw a child drinking from cupped hands. He realized we need almost nothing to be truly happy. Second, he walked through Athens in broad daylight carrying a lamp, claiming he was searching for an honest man. He never found one, showing how rare authenticity really is. Third, when Alexander the Great offered him anything he wanted, Diogenes told the most powerful man alive to move out of his sunlight. True wealth is complete independence from others. Fourth, he insulted wealthy people's obsession with material things, calling them slaves to their possessions. He was waking them up from social conditioning that destroys happiness. Fifth, he asked to be thrown to wild animals when he died, so his body could still serve a purpose. Even in death, he chose service over self-preservation.